Let's make some meatballs. I'm going to make some sort of festive meatballs with cranberry sauce. This will be in the sauce, cranberry sauce. And you can make them like as appetizers, or you can make the meatballs larger and have them with like mashed potatoes and green beans for supper. But what I'm going to use some dried parsley, soy sauce, ketchup, panko breadcrumbs, some dried cranberries, cranberry sauce, a couple eggs, some lemon juice, some brown sugar, salt, pepper, and a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground pork. Well, I have my pound of pork, my pound of ground beef. You know, you could use all of one. You don't have to mix it. I took dried cranberries, about a cup of them, and put them in this little processor and chopped them up some. Now that's about a half a cup now, since they're smaller in size. And I'm going to add ketchup, 1/3 cup. And I hope these turn out well this first time. 2 eggs. I mixed them up some first. And I forgot to tell you about this. This is that dried onion that's in flakes. It's 2 tablespoons. A cup of the breadcrumbs. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of the parsley. And you just want to get this all mixed up. I have my meatballs all out on a tray. I'm going to bake them. You can fry them if you wish. I used a cookie scoop to help size them, and it made it so much easier. And these go into my 350-degree oven. While the meatballs are in the oven at 350, I have the 14-ounce can of cranberry sauce in the pot. There's 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 cup of ketchup. I'm going to bring this up slowly. I don't want anything to burn. And just turn the heat on low while the meatballs bake. Our sauce is coming together. We'll add our meatballs, and I'll add the lemon juice a little bit later. I did add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I said 2, but I meant to say 3. So let's get our meatballs in there. I'm going to let them stay warm in here about 15 minutes before we serve. So maybe the meatballs will absorb a little bit of the flavor of the sauce. Here's the meatballs, and they've been simmering very gently for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add about a tablespoon and a half lemon juice. Turn the heat off. Stir this lemon juice in. Let's try one. Mmm. 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 The sauce is absolutely wonderful. Mmm. These are very nice. Very nice.